History of the English language and literature. Unit 5 Introduction to Development of the English Language. Structure Introduction Objective Conversation Conver- conver- Conservation Conversation and Innovation in American English. So, Introduction. In Unit 4, we discussed the origin of the English language and we also looked at the development of the English language throughout the Old English, Middle English, and Modern English period. In brief, for an independent study of the development of the English language, you may visit in the units that follow this unit. You will read in details about Old English, Middle English, and Modern English. In this unit, we shall look at the development of the English language in the English-speaking countries, which suggested three seriously of modern English. An indigenous critical of the local population in location in which English is spoken as a mother or native language. An expression clearly of a second language speaker in region in which language English has extensive use, uses along with local language and increasingly with critical of oversized speakers from countries in which the English language has no legit studies but is used for demanding global and local purpose. To the two essentially contrariwise style of English in historical precedent in a number of speakers and in effect are those of the United Kingdom and the USA. British English and American English throughout they account for upward of four 400 million speakers of English, with American having four four times the population of the United Kingdom. Along in this unit, we shall discuss the different varieties of English and their development in different parts of the world. Object. The object of this unit are the mark you aware of the international location that mark up the internal circle of the Anglophonic words distinguishing the historic, social, and cultural activities that have influenced the improvement of their kind of English. His conservatism and innovation in American English along many times that despite the fact that the British version of English claimed ancient roots, presently the American version of English has become the most current and effective dialect of the modern English language. It impacts throughout the medium of movie, TV, famous song, the internet, and other sectors with apps, web city commons medical manuscript financial aids military help and the log involvement of American society in worldwide problems. Never Nevertheless, the English language speaking colonies in the United States continues to talk as they used to speak in England, but the language changed gradually both in England as in America, and the new version of English in the USA has kept many factors of early English version which have no longer been retained in the modern British version of English. Specimen of American English conservatives. The accent of sound in word where it is spelled in hard court grammatical conversation as in both. However, the American version of English has additionally misplaced a few capabilities which have been praised in the British version. Example are Jet American with furthering American to weak caps and fitness. The individual have also innovated phrases for geo- 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 geography factors which did not exist in the older various speaking space of American English transformation or compounding of English diversifications of word to new use. The word crack in British English means an inlet on the sea will in American English. My additionally means any some state even throughout the American version of English is similar to the British English. There are some variations to the following subsection gives examples of the discrepancy between the two.